For the past few decades, the technology of artificial intelligence developed dramatically. Its usage has also applied in many fields, not only in aerospace and military fields, but also in our daily life, like the medical and the vacuum cleaner robots, which has brought lots of convenience for people. Today, I'm going to make a review video for the Zigma Spark 2 robot vacuum cleaner. In general, the design of the Zigma Spark 2 has no differences with some other vacuum cleaner robots. The round shape with a round sensor, a 600ml dust box, a 600ml water tank. However, the Zigma is so exquisite with the delicate materials. A plastic cover is on the top of the dust box. It's pretty friendly for users to get the dust box out and throw the rubbish without any disturbance. The robot is mixed with two different modes, sweeping and mopping in 3 suction levels, which would liberate your hands in a great extent in daily life. The total height of Zigma is 7 centimeters. It's pretty easy for Zigma to clear the space under the bed or chairs. So does it to climb the obstacles. Meanwhile, the equipped anti-drop function will avoid falling from the verge. The robot will use the SLAM algorithm to sensor and navigate while cleaning. A real-time map will be created at the same time, which would give the robot a great favor to handle the complex space. The battery capacity of Zigma is 3200 mAh. It would automatically docking and charging as soon as the battery gets too weak. It will find the charging dock and charges by itself. After charging, it will continue its unfinished work where it stopped. Users can also charge the robot directly by the cable. Zigma Spark can simply controlled by voice or Zigma app or the remote control. Users can schedule cleaning, view a real-time cleaning report, and share control with the whole family at fingertips through the Zigma app. Besides this, users can also use the remote control to operate this robot easily. A virtual wall or logo zone can be set to give some protection to the fragile items. The ability to clear the floor is also impressive. No matter the ashes, powder, pet hair, and some other wastes will easily be cleared by Zigma robot. After the cleaning, the wastes in the dustbin could throw into the trash can. Users could clear the dustbin through the floating water. Okay guys, this is the end of the Zigma Spark 2 robot vacuum cleaner review. If you have any questions, please make a comment below. If you like this video, please thumbs up and share it. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye!